Hey guys, in this video we are going to be re-caulking the sink, and the issue that we have here is after many years, I don't know why, but you develop cracks here, and so when things get wet, water can seep into places that it should not be seeping into. And so what we're going to be doing is taking some caulk and putting it into all of these places where it's needed. And so the first thing to do here is going to be just cleaning everything up so that the fresh sealant will have somewhere to stick, and it'll be able to have a good seal between where it's needed. So that's going to be the next thing I do. I'm going to spend a good few minutes doing that, and then we'll get to the next scene where we're actually going to start doing the caulk. Things look like after we've cleaned up a little bit. I wiped it with some soap and water, and then dried it, and then I hit it with some bleach, Clorox wipes, and then I dried off the bleach so that I've got a dry and fairly clean surface to work with now. I also did my best to kind of dry this out as much as I could before putting on the new stuff, so now we can finally move forward with applying the actual caulk. Okay, and over an hour later, this is the final result. And my goodness, it's a lot harder than people make it look on YouTube and TV. I tried the credit card trick, and I'm going to try to cover up my numbers so people don't look at it. But basically, yeah, it was very difficult to do. And you end up taking off so much, and then you just end up with a huge cluster, and you know, definitely gives you an appreciation for good grout work, I guess you could say. When I was at UC Berkeley, there was one of the urinals had grout, and people loved to write memes like the grout Gatsby and all these other things like in the grout. So anyways, this is what the final result looks like. Definitely not perfect, but better than how it looked before, which is improvement, I think, is the key thing to take home here. And I just cleaned everything, and yeah, I think it'll do the job, and you know, saves money, I guess. You know, you get what you pay for. I'm free, so this is what do-it-yourself grout work looks like using the caulk. I also tried to seal up that little gap that was in there. There's a little bit of a space still left there, but definitely an improvement. And so, yeah, this is one story of how it looks like in real life. I guess you could call this reality TV. This is definitely not one of those special ones where you see those people smiling and they drag the plastic thing over and it makes it look perfect. I mean, in some areas it actually turned out kind of okay, and those were the areas where you just relax as you're pulling your finger through and you try to have like one continuous line. I think one issue that I ran into is like I kept trying to make it perfect. Like, you know, this is a pretty good section just because it's like consistent and like the line is crisp. But yeah, oh man, definitely easier said than done to do this right and to make it look good. Most of this stuff is still going to be hidden, but you know, it's not really going to be super visible because there's all this crap in the way. But yeah, I will definitely have and do have a new appreciation for what does quality caulking look like. So hope this helps anyone who is interested in seeing like what a potential result might look like if you do it yourself. And thanks for watching.